Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Mesh Morpher to sculpt morph targets at a higher subdivision level, right? So we are not only bound to sculpt at subdivision level 0, which has the initial vertex count, but we can also subdivide it, right? So this is the density of this mesh. We can see it through the wireframe. And if we set subdivision steps value here higher than 0, we go with 1, we will see that the density increases, right? And we can go with 2 as well. It's gonna take a little bit. And we can see that now we have a very dense mesh to work with, right, to sculpt on it. So I don't really recommend working on this kind of density mesh, but if you have to, you have to, right? But keep in mind that the mesh data is CPU bound, so modifying, interrogating and stuff like it might take longer in certain cases, right? So let's start. We're gonna play with this subdivision level with the subdivision steps of 2 with this very dense mesh data, right? And we're gonna do some. Let's hide the wireframe. We don't need it now, just so we can see a little bit better what we're doing here. We're just gonna create some random stuff, and maybe we're gonna do something with the ears, right? Kind of. I have symmetry enabled, so the same is applied on the other side as well. Maybe we can smooth a little bit. Just a little bit. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah, and now that we have our morph target ready, this will be reprojected to the initial subdivision level, right? With the subdivision level 0, right? So if, for example, we switch here to subdivision level 0, we will see that our morph target replicates exactly what we created at subdivision level 2, right? So if we save it, let's save it, and let's check it in a skeletal mesh previewer. Our morph target will look exactly as it should, and we had the advantage that we sculpted it at very high subdivision level with a very dense mesh, right? So I hope you like this functionality. This is pretty cool. It allows you to sculpt a little bit more precise and automatically reproject your sculpting to the mesh, right? So yeah, this is it for this video, guys. I hope you like it and see you around. Bye.